I get a lot of people asking me this. How do you make money quick? People message me that on Snap, people message me on Instagram. And every time I read that, I just laugh. They're like, what's the quickest way of making money? I want to make $1,000 tomorrow. What do I do? $1,000 end of the weekend, to be more realistic. And I just laugh. If there was something to make $1,000 every weekend, quick, I would be doing it every single weekend. Or I would be doing it every single week. There is no such thing as quick money. But there is a way to make $1,000 every weekend, $10,000, $100,000, right? But before I continue on that, it's a fairly windy day, which is unfortunate. I'm gonna tell you, I have ways if I need to make $1,000, $2,000 every weekend, I have ways, I have strategy, I have what I gotta do. But it took me time to build to get to that point, right? There was a point where it was only bringing me an extra $100 every week. A point where it's only bringing me $50. A point where it's bringing me now $1,000 if I need to come up with $1,000. It's because I've worked hard the 6 months prior to where I have the opportunity to do that. People think that you could just wake up tomorrow and make $1,000 in a week. It doesn't work like that. You have to start something and you have to constantly work on something. And you're making nothing, you're probably losing money right when you start off. Then you slowly start to pick up, you pay your debts, then you slowly start to pay, you get a little bit, $50, $100, goes back into the business, but now you have ways you can make $1,000 if you want, right? $500, whatever. There's no such thing as quick money. I don't believe in it. I think it's bullshit unless you are into markets, you know how to invest, right? But obviously it takes fucking years of practice to know how to actually do that and not lose money in reality. So actually, yeah, there is no quick fucking way. People learn, they study, they build a business, they spend time. There is no fucking waking up tomorrow and fucking doing it. So that's my quick take on making quick money, quick video. Just got the brand new 63 Nova SS. Life's good. And as I always say, life's good, but it can always be better. And it's always getting better.